Let us now do a quick recap of all that we learned on setting up and managing a successful membership site using Go High Level. In this summary, we'll review the key components we have covered to help you create a thriving online community and generate consistent revenue. So building your membership site, it starts with planning your content, setting up your site, and customizing your design. You set up your drip content, you create the content, you schedule the release, and you monitor the engagement. Managing subscriptions and payment. You set up various subscription tiers and pricing options to cater to different membership needs. You integrate secure payment gateways to handle transactions smoothly. You automate subscription renewals to ensure consistent revenue flow. And the member management. Use Go High Level tools to manage member accounts, access, and billing information. Some key components. We covered the essential steps to create an engaging and user-friendly membership portal using Go High Level platform. You learned how to deliver your course content automatically, ensuring a steady flow of valuable information to your members. And we explored strategies for handling subscriptions and keeping the revenue flowing, including various payment models and automation tools. What are the Go High Level advantages? Well, text simplification is the key. Go High Level handles the technical aspects of your membership sites, allowing you to focus on content creation and member engagement. All-in-one solution from site building to payment processing, Go High Level provides a comprehensive toolkit for membership site management and scalability. As your community grows, Go High Level features can adapt to meeting your expanding needs and member base. What are the next steps? You set up your site, you plan your content, you configure the payment, and grow your community, build your community. So with the closing thoughts and support, go ahead and set up your membership site, drip content and payment modules, and get ready to grow your community and your revenue. If you need help, I'm always here. Just drop a comment in the Q&A section or connect with me in the Facebook community, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Remember that your membership site is more than just a platform. It's a space for learning, growth, and connection. Nurture your community and watch it thrive. So that's all from my end, and I would love to hear from you. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.